August 7th, card opening for my birthday. We're going to open up, I had this box I got a while ago. I want to say it's fairly cheap. 2021 is kind of a set, we'll say, but it is a Topps Chrome Jumbo. I thought it was 2020, but no, nothing like it's falling down. But that was not to be. So 5 autographs compared to, I think you only get 3 right now on Jumbo Chrome. And every time I look at Chrome for this year, the answer is just no. I may pick up some singles, but unless it really drops in price, I just can't justify what they're doing. The argument is there's better autographs, maybe, but for double the price. No, I want to say I picked this one up for a Jumbo Chrome 2021 for under 150. It was one of those steals. Otherwise, I generally just don't get Jumbos. Holy cow. So it's 12 packs, 13 cards. Let's see what we get. 2021 was printed to the moon. That is the disadvantage of this set. Ryan Weathers rookie. Pradas. Dale Dunning. Bregman Prism and Jeff McNeil. So, first one in the books, and I'd say nothing stand-worthy in that. I have 150 for 5 autographs. Chrome. Upright bite on that. Dalton Varsho. Jake Cronenworth, Chrome rookie. Blackman. Yelich. Shohei Ohtani Prism. Monte Harrison and Freddie Freeman. Okay, so that's a Prism. As far as Monte Harrison goes, not numbered. And then the refractor's Freddie Freeman. So that's a pretty good pack. They weren't doing MVP buybacks, and were they doing it in 2021? Yeah, they were. It was Goldschmidt and Judge. Much better pack. Got a first of 5 autos. Sheraton Apostle. Jazz Chisholm. I wonder if Jazz is getting traded. Jordan. Sixto Sanchez. We have a nice Patrick Corbin and Victor Robles. Patrick Corbin is numbered to 350. Whatever happened to Victor? I've heard nothing from him lately. Kevin Newman, Zach Greinke, Joey Votto, Kyle Lewis, Tejada, Brandon Crawford, Dean Kramer, Giancarlo Stanton, Shoko Akiyama, Devin Williams, Xander Bogart, Max Fried, and Ian Anderson. Max Fried is to 299. Ian Anderson is a refractor, and he's one of those Braves pitchers that have kind of disappeared. It was an interesting YouTube video I saw where they reviewed all the Brave pitching prospects. The Braves are not doing good this year, even though everyone said there's no reason they were not going to dominate everything. Willie Castro, Josh Donaldson, Lorenzo Cain, Nick Senzel, Anthony Rizzo, Suarez, Garrett Crochet, Buster Posey, Grandel, Tavares, Yon Makata. I thought I already pulled this one. Reese Hopkins and Aaron Judge refractor. So that would have been a MVP buyback. I think, was it $40? So that sounds right. We got a refractor Judge, refractor Freeman, Prism, Shohei. A couple numbers. Nothing big yet. And one of the 5 rookies autos. Javi Baez, Whit Merrifield, Alex Bregman, Eric Hosmer, Braylon Marquez, Tyler Stevenson. They're just sticking a little bit. Chris Davis, Garrett Cole, Max Kurloff, Tony Gosselin, Marco Gonzalez, Mitch White, rookie auto, Bruce Briston. I can hear the pigs from the other side of the wall here. They're directly in front of us. They're just snorting away. If you hear that noise, wonder what it is. Those are the pigs grunting. It's like Daphne maybe visiting them. I think I hear her voice. I got 2 of our autos. Looking for a big one. Mookie Betts, Aaron Nola. There's normal Shohei. Reese Hopkins. Definitely there. Ross Chapman. Luis Campos. Jack Bradley. Sung Kim. Nolan Arenado. Humberto Mija. Corey Kubler. Well, the rookies autos, they're all been autos of rookies. We haven't hit anything big. As far as refractors, we've done a lot better with that. Shohei, we're gonna keep. And sleeve. We're doing MVP, we've hit 1 MVP. A $40 one. The light is the refractor in the back. Bryce Harper. William Contreras. That's a decent one. Manny Machado. Sam Huff. Wilson Ramos. Mark Cahan. Blake Snell. Noah Syndergaard. Xander Bogaerts. Ozzie Albies. Jesus Lacerda, Joey Bart, Why Do You Hurt Me, and Evan White. Is Bart with the Pirates right now? I want to say that's what rings a bell. Let's reset some of these. saw some MVPs from the last couple years are in chrome, and they stamp them with the MVP buyback, and they're extremely rare to pull. Some really hilarious stuff. Deivi Garcia. Pete Alonso. Luan Diaz. Mike Moustakas. Yu Darvish. Vladdy. He's hiding someone. Kevin Kiermaier. Dansby Swanson. Rafael Devers. Nick Solak. Max Muncy and Jorge Soler. Max Muncy being the Prism Refractor and Jorge Soler being the Refractor. Three packs left. We have not hit a banner at all out of here. It's some decent cards, but not a banner. Chris Bubic, Evan Longoria, Casey Mize, we'll take. Will Smith, we will not. Asuna, no. Yohan Moncada, no. Clark Schmidt, yes, please. Tyler Glasnow, no. Justin Upton, no. Kyle Lewis, please, no. Alec Baum, Prism rookie. Bobby Dow, I don't want to be Dow back. I have several decent Bobby Dahlbeck cards. This is out of 199. Rookie auto. Numbered. This is probably what they intended to be the hit of the card. It's a good looking card. Not a bad signature. Jeff McNeil is the Prism. Not who he wanted though. I don't know where he is right now. I know he's not doing anything active for the Red Sox. We got one more auto. We, of course, want a banner. Feels like summer's winding down, even though it's really hot. Everyone's going back to school, and I'm kind of, okay, I'm ready to move into a fall, and especially with the gardening stuff and taking care of animals. I'm sweating in this room right now. Luke Voigt, Jacob deGrom, Josh Bell. Nothing that one, so we know the last pack has our auto. And like I said, I think that Bobby Dahlbeck is the big card they wanted to unburden what has been burdened. Caron Hayes. Hopefully get a screwball out of here. Spencer Howard. Woodruff. No, they're not Rockies, but we did pull him in the 86 in his Cardinals. Chris Bryant. Tanaka. Paul DeYoung. Refractors, Victor. Oh my goodness. What do we just pull of Victor Robles? Is this our... We pulled 2 refractors of Victor Robles in a jumbo box? Come on. We have a blue. It's in the auto spot. Bryce Harper. I like that one. Luis Garcia. And we have a pitching Tucker Davidson. Rookie auto. That's numbered to 150. We're not gonna look at base. Auto, our rookies, we did get a lot of the good ones though. Okay, let's start with the refractors. Josh Bell, Jeff McNeil, Corey Soler, Evan White, Corey Kubler, Luis Brinston, Aaron Judge, like that one. Ian Anderson, I wish I liked that. Freddie Freeman, like that one. And 2 Victor Robles because why not? Prisms, Alec Baum, I like that one. Max Muncy, that's all right. Reese Hawkins, that's fine. Shohei Ohtani, I do like that one quite a bit. Max Fried, purple to 299, and Patrick Corbin to 350. Favorite card, I'd be tied between Shohei and Alec Baum. And finally, the autos. Tucker Davidson to 150. Bobby Dahlbeck to 199. I mean, you had 3 pitchers. Roberto Mejia, Mitch White, and Monte Harrison, 2 numbered. It's not the worst box. In 2021, you probably would be somewhat happy with it. In 2024, you're not super angry. Did pull a normal Shohei, which did sleeve off. Anyway, that's Topps 2021 Chrome Jumbo. You take care.